Let's say, naglagay ka $100, 5,000 pesos. Tinrade mo yung 5,000 pesos. Nasunog. So, anong gagawin mo susunod? Pa-fund in ka. Kasi bakit? Kasi your goal is bawiin yung losses mo. Am I correct?
Perfect.
And by doing that, then you might change your approach. You might change your method from becoming sabihin natin, nag-a-apply ka pa ng risk management, suddenly, nagsugal ka na. So, tendency, lalakihan mo na naman yung margin mo sa susunod and thinking that your next trade could give you the result that you want. However, the reality is, pwede makachamba ka, but it's not happening always. There are losses. But there's a good question came from Crypto Tasho. Sabi niya, what would you say to those people who treat trading as gambling, sugal? Reps, eto, magandang tanong to.
It only becomes gambling if you are parang bara-bara mo lang na ginagawa yung trading, yung wala nang hindi ka nagte-technical analysis, hindi ka nagko-fundamentals, hindi ka man lang nakikibalita kung ano nang nangyayari sa crypto space. Yung wala lang, umupo ka lang sa harap ng laptop, umupo ka sa harap ng cellphone mo, nakita mo, pwede ka mag-buy, mag-sell, nag-place ka ng order, walang isip-isip, that's gambling. Tapos, mag-all-in ka, 100x leverage, tapos walang TATA, ayun talaga, gambling talaga yan. Pero if you are doing trading, gaya nga nasabi ni Coach Jonathan, it always comes with risk management. If you are not managing your risk, you are definitely gambling.
And I think to add to that, as in all things, no, I mean not just for cryptocurrency, have a plan. If you had no plan to begin with, then definitely that's gambling. But if you had a plan, stick to your plan. With proper risk management, it won't be called gambling. Because gambling really means, what does gambling mean in its purest form? Gambling means it's a game of chance, which means kahit na anong gawin mo, there's nothing that you can theoretically do to improve your chances unless you want to cheat, no? So, but gambling is really all a game of chance. That's not the way trading or any form of investing works. While there are still possibilities, and Cryptotasho was correct about its probabilities, at the end of the day, there are certainly things you can do or put in place to manage those probabilities so that if things do not go according to plan, may limits on how much you can lose.
True, trading is a good source of income. Malaki yung kita. Actually, malaki yung kita to the point na malaki rin yung pwede mo maging losses. So it's very important yung kanina binanggit ko, di ba? Yung risk management na hindi porket malaki yung kita, yung lahat ng savings mo, ipapasok mo sa crypto or sa account mo, ipapad-in mo, then gagamitin mo lahat. That's actually wrong kasi again, kumbaga trading is, meron niyang probability and of course, part of that is psychology. Kung medyo emotional ka, hindi ka tatagal dyan At the same time, hindi ka natatagal, sunog pa yung pera mo. Kasi, ito yung nangyayari. Naglagay ka ng pera. Let's say, hindi ganun kalaki, hindi yung buong savings mo. Portion of that, maybe 1%, 5%. Let's say, naglagay ka $100, 5,000 pesos. Tinrade mo yung 5,000 pesos. Tama? Nasunog. So, anong gagawin mo susunod? Pa-fund in ka. Kasi bakit? Kasi your goal is gusto mo mabawi or bawiin yung losses mo. Am I correct?
Perfect.
And by doing that, di ba? By doing that, or the reason, or sabihin natin, nung nangyari to, then you might change your approach. You might change your method from becoming sabihin natin, nag-a-apply ka pa ng risk management, suddenly, nagsugal ka na. Teka lang, lagay ko na to para mapadoble ko ulit, mabawi ko yung capital ko. So, I believe that's also maganda yung sinabi ni Cryptotasho, revenge trading, di ba? Gusto mo mag-revenge, bawiin yung losses mo. So tendency, lalakihan mo na naman yung margin mo sa susunod and thinking that your next trade could give you the result that you want. However, the reality is, pwede makachamba ka, but it's not happening always. There are losses. And I don't know anyone, para sa mga viewers natin if someone tells you na, uy, ako magaling akong trader, okay, enroll ka dito sa program ko, sa community ko, enroll ka dito sa course ko. Especially internationally, sobrang dami mga coaches. Diba? And they're telling you, I don't have any losses. Zero loss. Takbo ka na. that's 100% scam. Walang trader na hindi natatalo. Even yung mga professional traders, they have losses. But manageable losses. Okay, kasi when you say losses na burn, ibang usapan yun. Nasunog yung fund mo kasi may ginawa ka mali. Pero when you say manageable losses, meaning you apply proper risk management, di ba? 1% to 10% of your trading fund, yun lang yung ginamit mo. Minimum 1%, maximum 10%. Pero kung in-all-in mo yan, nasunog, eh doon talaga, possibly magkaroon ka ng losses. Di ba?
And I
Out
think,
of your... Sige,
I think to add to that, Coach Jonathan, even those that utilize trading bots, di ba? Even the bots are not 100% win rate. May mga losses din yan. But, tama kayo, the way that the bot has been set up, if it's been set up properly, kahit na magkamali yung bot, manage yung risk, hindi sunog lahat. For those that have set it up properly, ha?